Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have Happy Meal, and I have been waiting a very long time to open it, a couple of weeks. But things are getting better, and Daisy is changed and back in our videos. She has a new couch and a little outfit from Beth Ramsden. Check out her channel. But this is from Elyse Explosion. I did open it off channel, but I opened it. Woohoo! Had an injury, long story, don't need to go into it. So there are a bunch of items, and they're all wrapped so pretty. Let's pull them out. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. This is heavy. Oh boy, I love Happy Meal and I love Elyse Explosion. I am not just saying that because she sent me Happy Meal. I actually watch about every video. Well, I think I do watch every video that she puts out. Elyse is fun. She has a sense of humor that actually makes my teeth show when I'm watching her or giggle. She is informative. She also does snack reviews. Oh wow, this is cool. All right. Oh, there's even stuff in here. All right, let's see what the card says. Marna and Darren, of course. I wish I had I wish I had something more direct for your girls, but it looks like components are it. We love anything. I'm just excited. Most of our remnants are I'm not going to read it. It sounds like it's telling what's in here. We'll read it after. Look at Elise's stickers. Elyse Explosion. So Elyse Explosion. One for me, one for Darren. How cool is that? I want to read the card, but let's open. Elise's channel is really fun, and she does in-store. I'm going to take my glasses off. She recently did some, wow, Halloween in-store videos, which are really fun. Look what I have here. Oh my God, it's candy. Oh my goodness, it's Kit Kats. You knocked the whole thing on the floor.
No, it didn't.
Oh, here it is. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. Now I need my glasses. In case the chocolate melts, I wanted to protect it from the perils of August. Yeah, in the, oh, we love Kit Kats. It's on our grocery list. These are buttons. How cute are they? I have actually in the past made pierced earrings for human beings out of that, but oh my goodness, I love that. Let's open this one. Oh, this one has a rubber band, of which I save and reuse, like everything, as I tear the wrapping paper. This is so fun. Oh wow, who can't use this? I buy this up from garage sales as quick as a wink. Any seam binding or bias tape, I use a lot of it. I use a lot of bias tape in lieu of making my own fabric waistbands for dolls. Let's open this one. I love this paper, and it's tissue paper, and I really will use this again. I use everything. Oh, look at the purple. Where'd that rubber band go? I, of course, love the pink. That's my thing. I am a hot pink kind of person. When I was a kid, I would get the great big box of crayons, and by the end of the year, they'd all be about like this, and my little hot pink was a nub, and I mean a nub. Look at this purple. Oh, that is cute, cute, cute. I will be using that. I will certainly be using that. Ooh, it's like Christmas. Elyse also has a sister named Karyn. I'm trying to think of Karyn's channel name. We will link both below, Elyse and Karyn's channels, so you can take a look. Karyn is her camera person. I don't know who does the editing, but it's good editing. And who does, oh, this comes with glue. Add some sparkle to your accessory. Oh, this is really funny. In Walmart today, I bought some itty bitty, and they didn't have the colors. Oh, you could have just sent this and I would have been thrilled. I need this for shoe tops, you know, like right on the top of the foot. And look at the size of those pearls. That is perfect for upcoming pirates. That is so cool. Cool. Okay. Look what I got. Okay, I tore the paper. Oh, wow, shoes and all. Holy smokes. Oh, thank you. I love their little bitty clothes. If you have never tried to sew for a Monster High or an Ever After doll, oh, not only, what can I compare this? How can I show you how tiny this is? See that Hershey's Kisses? That is way rounder than she is. This is a Hershey's Kiss. We all know the size. Now, it has this teeny weeny top, and then you have the hips and thighs, and they are not so tiny, and an arched back. And when you're making clothing this size, it matters. It is not easy to do, so I really appreciate that they have their hands and shoes and clothings. I love them. I know a guy who can make them a stand. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I love this. Thrilled with all of it. Those sparkles. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, drop by Elyse and Karyn's channel, and subscribe here and there.